Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can we change car on Snapchat. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. It's pretty easy to change cars on Snapchat. So this is the latest feature from Snapchat. So let me show you here guys. If you want to change your car color, just simply have to open Snapchat app. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on your profile. Now after that guys, you have to tap on Snapchat Plus. So guys, if you want to change the car on Snapchat, you have to subscribe Snapchat Plus. If you don't have this option, you cannot do that. Okay guys, from here you have to select app appearance. Okay guys, just simply you have to tap here app appearance, and after that you can see the cars. So from there you can select the car and you can save your car from here guys. You can select many of the cars and you have to put that car and the car will be changed. So that's pretty much for today video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.